Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 11 for AT&T Prepaid. So the iPhone 11 is now here at AT&T Prepaid for $499.99. New contracts, of course. It is available in black, 64 gigabytes of storage. So if you guys are looking to get an iPhone on AT&T Prepaid, the iPhone 11 is here. So the iPhone 11 is a few years old now. It came out in 2019. It's still getting updates as I'm recording this video here. It'll get updates for like another year or two, so that is very nice. So yeah, this is the iPhone 11. Y'all guys should know what the specs and features are of the phone by now. Y'all guys got your teardrop notch. You got your notch for your earpiece front facing camera there. Power button on the right side of the phone, left side of the phone has your brand keys in your whatever fuck button this is, your fucking switch thing, your slider thing or whatever. Yeah, so there's the front of it, and there's the back of the iPhone 11. Y'all guys have dual cameras, camera flash, Apple logo. So it shows like 5 colors here, but AT&T Prepaid only offering the black color option here. So iPhone 11 shoots 4K videos, beautiful portraits and sweeping landscapes with the all-new dual camera system. Capture your best low light photos with night mode. See true to life color in your photos, videos, and games. On the 6.1-inch liquid retina display, experience unprecedented performance with AT&T Bionic for gaming, augmented reality, and photography. Do more and charge less with all-day battery life, and worry less with water resistance up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. Alright, I think the 2 meter things might be an A-type. I think it's 1 meter for 30 minutes. So yeah. Videos and images here. Y'all guys know what the iPhone 11 looks like, and it shows us the back here. So yeah. Specs. The iPhone 11 has a 6.1-inch display, liquid retina HD LCD display, IP68, water and dust resistance dual camera system on the rear, ultra wide and wide angle camera lens, A13 Bionic chip, which came out in 2019. It's still a pretty good chip in 2023. Dimensions 5.94 inches height, 2.98 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The iPhone 11 weighs 6.84 ounces. Display, liquid retina HD display. It says the iPhone 11 display has rounded corners that follow a beautiful curved design, and these corners are within a standard rectangle. When measured as a standard rectangle shape, the screen is 6.06 inches diagonally. Display size 6.1 inches. All-screen LCD multi-touch display with IPS technology. The resolution on the iPhone 11 is 1792 by 828 pixel resolution, 326 ppi, 1400 to 1 contrast ratio, splash and water resistance. Rated IP68 for maximum depth up to 1 meter up to 30 minutes under IEC standards. Alright. More details. It has true tone display, wide color display, 3D touch, max brightness, whatever that 625 max brightness or whatever the hell that is. Fingerprint resistive coding, support for display of multiple languages and characters simultaneously. Camera, rear facing camera, dual camera system with 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel wide cameras, night mode, portrait mode, and 4K videos up to 60 frames per second. Aperture. The ultra-wide camera has an f2.4 aperture, while the wide camera has an f1.8 aperture. The zoom is digital zoom up to 5 times, optical zoom up to 2 times. More rear-facing camera details. It has portrait mode with advanced bokeh and depth control, portrait lighting with 6 effects, which include neutral. Which includes natural, studio, contour, stage mono, high key mono. It has optical image stabilization on the wide camera, 5 element lenses, ultra wide, 6-element lenses, wide angle, brighter true tone flash with slow sync, panorama up to 63 megapixels, 100% focus pixels wide, night mode auto adjustments, next generation smart HDR for photos, wide color capture for photos and live photos, advanced red eye correction, auto image stabilization, burst mode, photo geotagging, image format, and whatnot. Video capture 4K videos at 24, 30, and 60 frames, 1080p at 30 and 60 frames, and 720p video at 30 frames per second. Alright. Video zoom, digital zoom up to 3 times, optical zoom up to 2 times. Alright. It says extended dynamic range for video up to 30 frames per second, optical image stabilization for video, quad LED true tone flash, slow-mo video capture, slow-mo video support for 1080p at 120 frames per second or 240 frames per second, time-lapse video stabilization, cinematic video stabilization, 1080p at 720, continuous autofocus, take 8 megapixel, still photos while recording 4K video, playback zoom, video geotagging, video formats recorded, true depth, camera that is a front-facing camera that is a 12 megapixel camera, true tone, true depth front camera with portrait mode, 4K video, and slow motion there. Battery is built in, obviously, 25 hours of talk time, 65 hours of wireless audio playback, wireless video playback up to 16 hours, internet use 15 hours. With wirelessly charged, you can do that with Q charging. Fast charging cable up to 50% in 30 minutes. Processor A13 Bionic chip with 3rd generation neutral engine. Has 64 gigawatts of storage, and I think it has 4 gigawatts of RAM, right? I think I could be wrong about the RAM though. OS, it runs Android, it runs iOS 13, that's what it came with in 2019. So if you guys get this one, you guys might have to update to iOS 16 when I'm recording this video here, but you guys can get the iOS 17 beta. The iOS 17 release will be out this fall alongside the iPhone 15 lineup, so stay tuned for that. But you can get the newest iOS on there right now for like the next year or two, so that is a win. Face ID enabled by true depth camera for facial recognition. Apple Pay with your iPhone, using Face ID in stores within the apps and on the web. Send and receive money and messages. Complete purchases made with Apple Pay on your Mac. Siri, use your voice to send messages, set reminders, and get intelligent suggestions on your lock screen and in messages. Mail, QuickType, and more activities with only your voice using Hey Siri, use your voice to run shortcuts from your favorite apps. Wireless technology, there is no 5G on the iPhone 11. The iPhone 12 was the first 5G iPhone, so this only has 4G only, so you guys will be accessing the AT&T 4G network. There are your bands there. It's a roll phone, quad band, voice over LTE, Wi-Fi calling, video calling. Wi-Fi connectivity is 802.11ax, Wi-Fi 6. It does have NFC, Bluetooth 5.0. Wireless emergency alerts. It takes a nano SIM card, and also supports for eSIM as well. So yeah, and it also says that iPhone 11 is not compatible with existing micro SIM cards, so keep it in mind. So you can use a physical nano SIM card or an eSIM option as well. I don't know if AT&T Prepaid supports eSIM or not. I'm not really sure. Y'all guys will have to contact AT&T for that. But I know that they do support physical SIM cards, I would say. So if they don't support eSIM, you can still get this phone and use it with the physical nano SIM card. built-in apps. Y'all guys get calendar, photos, health, messages, phone, FaceTime, mail, music, wallet, Safari, Maps, Siri, calendar, iTunes Store, App Store, notes, news, contacts, books, home, weather, reminders, clock, TV, stocks calendar, stocks calculator, voice memos, podcasts, watch tips, find my iPhone, settings, files, measure, shortcuts. Free apps from Apple. Y'all guys would have to download these yourselves. Y'all guys can get iMovie, Pages, Numbers, Keynote, iTunes U, GarageBand, Apple Store, Trailers, Apple TV, Remote, iTunes Remote, Music, Memos, Clip support. And of course it has a Safari web browser pre-installed, but you can get Chrome or Firefox if you guys want. Direct audio messaging and email there. Music, it has an Apple Music player on there, so that's really cool. Accessibility settings are there. Product codes and all that cool stuff. So what comes in the box is your lightning connector, documentation, and your iPhone 11. I doubt it comes with a charger. Don't be surprised if it don't come with one. But the iPhone 11 did come with a charger when it was released in 2019. The iPhone 12 was the first iPhone to not include a charger in the box. So y'all guys may have to get a charger. If not, if you guys have an existing iPhone charger, y'all guys can use it on this one. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys go. The iPhone 11 is now here on the AT&T Prepaid for $99.99. No contracts, of course. So I know that the iPhone 11 is 4 years old now, but it's still a good phone in 2023. It's still getting updates for like another year or two. So if you guys want an iPhone 11 on the AT&T Prepaid, here you guys go. $500, no contract. So check it on out. Something worth picking up if you guys like the iPhone and stuff like that. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.